my God. I see that. We're calling 911. Are you guys calling them already? We're at Salt River Road and Spencer Road.
Did I hit that?
Send one, yes.
You got a pulse?
She's breathing. She just fucking got hit by the airbags.
Can you reach her phone?
Yes.
Mind calling her mom?
Sure, yeah. Is she in your phone as mom?
Old lady.
Old lady, okay. What's your mom's name? Hi, is this? Hey, your daughter was just in a car accident. I have 911 on the way. She wanted us to call and let you know that she is breathing and alive.